guys, it's marcraftsy here again, and I am back with a plan with me for the second week of October, and I'm sorry, I don't know, it's from the 8th through the 14th, I guess. Anyway, as you can see, I am beginning with the decoration of my extra page, of my flip out page, and to be honest, I don't have the printables, the free printables this month, because I always have a lot, like really, like absolutely a lot left, as well as from my kit from Coco Daisy and from the printables also. So what I am trying to do this month, I try to see if I can use up most, at least most, I mean like 80% of the kit I have received for October, because the kits, they are just piling up, and other than planning, I don't really have time to use them up. Yes, I am using them so for some memory keeping, but it's really not that much. So this month also for the pumpkins, I only received the planner kit and the planner classified kit, and it was more than enough. I'm telling you, more than enough. So I am playing around with the papers, with the washi tape, with the stickers, and we have got extra stickers like those puffy pumpkins and the gold foiled stickers. And so yes, that's what I am doing right now. I'm trying to build a background for my little pumpkin patch, and I don't know why I decided to do that gold foiled hearts on these kind of turquoise background. I don't know. Anyway, so, but it looks good in the end. It looks good. It looks very fine. Actually, it wasn't so easy to try out this kind of thing. It's really just a demo thing to try out how I am doing with only these two kits for a month, because the pumpkin spice kit was in my eyes, it was a very monochromatic kit, because you don't have anything other than just pumpkins everywhere, like orange colors everywhere, and I don't understand it. It could have been so many good choices, and we see it also on the color scheme. So, oh well, I make it work. I will make it work somehow. And right now, what I'm trying to do, there is that pumpkin everything with gold foil on it, and it looks good, and because it's pumpkin everything, then it's just, why not use it? And I tried to make it pop, because the gold foil on orange, guess what? It wouldn't stand out. So what do? I use a copper kind of foiled washi tape, make a flag of it, and yes, I will stuck it down. And let's be honest, it still stands out better, even though you can see it because of my lighting. And really, I will try to do something with that on 100%. So it still stands out just fine, like without any background thing. So using the papers left from the planner kit, I will, oh yeah, and I am I try to create some so because the last month I had no time to plan. I have become rather, how do I say it, messy. So I have everything everywhere, and I am just trying to create, trying to pull back from chaos. Anyway, I have found the paper I want to use, so I'm using double-sided tape, and I think that was something on the tape. Anyway, so I am there are two words and one saying I use all the time. One is anyway, other is so, and I guess, yes. I really need to expand my vocabulary. And of course, I am stocking it on crooked, so I need to cut down on my paper, I need to cut down on the back paper, and it's just starting to be a hot mess. Yes, and I have realized that if I washi tape it to my page, then the flag won't be a flag anymore. So, oh gosh. But never mind, I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work just fine. Then this polka dot washi tape, it was in the August kit, and I just love it. Love it. Give me polka dots anytime, and I will be happy. Yay! And now on to the planning. As per usual, I am making my columns, and I think I will use yes, from the September kit. It's the let me get the memory keeping pocket kit. Yes, it's the memory keeping pocket kit, and we received these very cool stamps, day stamps, and I just love day stamps, and I love month stamps, and I love alpha stamps, so of course I'm going to use it. Of course, yay! So I am almost done with the stamping. Now what I am doing is just spelling words backwards. Oh gosh. I was really out when I did this because we just got back from Germany from our trip, and it was, I don't know, almost midnight when I got to the planning, and I needed my my next week done like very much, because we got back from Germany on a Sunday. So if I don't have a spread for the next week, how am I going to start planning? Gosh. Ugh. So yeah, those are my trackers for the week. And as just like last week, I am tracking my workout, my vitamins, my Instagram, YouTube, and my nose band action. And with this nose band, I am thinking about ditching it there is just Sometimes there is absolutely no reason to track your spending like this. It would have much more reason to track spending, like literally writing down into and dividing them into sections like household spendings or clothes or anything like this. So yes, that was it. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.